So basically I have a couple of vases filled with pampas grass right here. And I want to say for me, I prefer the real, the real pampas grass that is real, grown from the earth. And then you cut it or clip it and bring it into your home. You fluff it. There's different things that you can do with it. And that's the type of, now they do sell artificial fake pampas grass, which I do have one plant right here of it that I'm gonna go ahead and talk about, do a comparison between the real and the fake pampas grass with you. Of course, I prefer the authentic, but I understand that sometimes you might wanna just in your background area, put a little bit of the fake foliage and green pampas grass in your background. The pampas grass also comes in different varieties. Like this bouquet right here has some of what is called the bunny tails. And the bunny tails are basically these right here, the ones that have the little bunny tails at the end of them. And then you see the pampas grass right here. You see the pampas grass right there. And then it also comes with this white variety. Now this is a bouquet that I put together myself and have a video on my channel on it. They sell real pampas grass on Amazon that has already been dried out. They sell real pampas grass at Michael's. Real pampas grass even comes into TJ Maxx and Marshall's in the decor section. In Michael's and in TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Burlington, you can find real pampas grass that has been dried and is being sold. They'll have them in plastic in a bouquet for you. So you don't have to just resort to just getting the artificial pampas grass. It is available for you. The real pampas grass is a little bit more expensive. If you go to a florist for it, they want sometimes like $19.99 for just a stem, for one single stem of the pampas grass. Now, I will say the pampas grass can be very messy. It does shed. There is fallout from it. So, what I normally do is just leave it and don't handle it a lot. If you don't handle it and mess around with it, then it's not going to fall out or shed. But if you handle it a lot or move it around, then you will get some fallout and some shedding. Also, this lovely, lovely, lovely bouquet that I got right here, I will say that when I brought it into the house originally, when I purchased it, the top part of it, one of the stems did break. And I have the piece that broke off right here. So I saved it because it just broke my heart that it broke off. And I love it so much. I just put it right here because pampas grass is just so expensive and hard to come by for me that I just wanted to go ahead and say, I figured why throw that piece out? It looks really good right there at the top of the vase or vase. So a part of it right there did break off, but that's okay because, it would have been even taller. I would have had a piece right here that was a little bit taller and measured up with those. You can vary the height based on the stem as well. So let me just show you guys what the stems look like. So this is what the stem of it looks like. You see there's some fallout there, but you can put the stem deeper in the vase to make it shorter, or you can put the stem, don't push it all the way at the bottom of the vase, and then the stem will be taller. And I will show you guys why this getaway means so much to me up here, because in the Midwest, there's going to be so many cold days. So it's nice to have a little oasis in your home to get away from all that cold weather. And once I'm totally finished in this room, I will come back and give you guys a finished room update of my Bohemian Oasis. Okay, thank you. Now let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm dealing with the weather outside.